I would also, so I create a virtual host file, and it's located in var www whatever, bouncy, wherever you put it. Inside of there, I will create an index, and this can be a flat HTML file, I don't care. But I will also create whatever my app is, app.php. On this page, I will make sure the word bouncy exists. And on this page, I will make sure the word bouncy exists. It's my script that will go search for those words. And then you would do the same thing with whatever, you know, so you're going to do this 3 times, some other website, some other website. Finally, you will find an open source web application like I did tic-tac-toe. This could be any kind of application, should not need database access unless you're working ahead on the database assignment. Download, install, and configure this web application to work on one of your websites. So visit each link to make sure they're all working, make sure the PHP files are working, use the logs to look for potential errors. Here is my submission file. So you'll give me the IP address of your web server, fully qualified domain name of the first website that you did. In fact, these 3 refer to the vhost assignment. Sites 4, 5, and 6 refer to this assignment. And application would be the full URL of a web application main page. And by full URL, you've got to put in HTTP, the fully qualified domain name, and then maybe the path to that. Now notice that this application was not its own virtual host. You can if you want, but I just set it up, like my site 3 was this one, so I put my app inside of a subdirectory there. So however you want to do it, you can have 6 virtual hosts and stick your app in one of them, or you can have 7 virtual hosts, or you can have 20 virtual hosts. I don't care, as long as you have at least 6. So that's what the, whatever this is called, PHP web host, server-side scripting assignment is supposed to do. Yawn. Any questions on that? Yeah.
Make sure I understand. Somehow I missed this. So we have 3 pages, and they all have a link to another page. Does that other page have to be a PHP little applet?
Yes.
Okay. And then what's the difference between those 3 little PHP applets versus the actual PHP application?
The actual PHP application has to be a little more complicated.
Okay.
For these pages, you can just use what I gave you, just a 1-liner, 2-liner, but for the application, try to go find something on the internet that might be a little bit more exciting. Okay. That's it.
What qualifies as more exciting?
More than 20 lines of code.
Okay.
I don't know.
Well,
What?
I could write something more than 20 lines.
Yeah. And you can free PHP
That's more exciting than 20
simple
lines of code.
apps.
26 lines, there we go.
I don't know. SourceForge,
Create a simple correct database.
tic-tac-toe. Maybe we'll go find the tic-tac-toe one. Free source code and tutorials. I hate just clicking on random sites in class because I don't know what's going to pop up. Maybe, I don't know.
Why you gonna do block word join stuff?
Are we going to be installing WordPress at some point in this?
Yes.
Okay. That's what I thought.
So yeah, you can use that for the next one too. That's fine.
I cringe.
Okay, any other questions on this assignment that you think of? And technically, it doesn't have to be WordPress, but most people do it.
Does you need a database for that? Oh, for whatever assignment.
Yeah. All right, let's just check. I want to check before I move on where we're at. This is, what day are we at? 23rd. So I suggest, the suggested completion was system resources by today, SMTP remote by Wednesday, and the server scripting that I just went over by Friday. So want me to talk about any of those again? Unless you guys stop me with questions, I just keep going on. Yeah,
Can you go over system resources?
yeah, any particular question?
Like when you install the file, like processes and stuff, like the.
To install the memhog CPU hog? Is that it? Yes. Where did it say to do that? System resources? I don't even know what I called mine. System resources. Combined. Okay, I don't know what that machine's called, so I'll just go over here. So pretend now I'm on my system resources machine. You were supposed to start out on that assignment. You come over here to this download section. You right click on resourcehogs.tgz and you do a wget. And then you can do tar xvzf and extract those. But then we need to move all of them over into our user local bin, I think.
This is the one you said you needed.
This is when I can't remember my password. Anyway, that's how you do it, is you copy them over there, and then they're available for you to use. Let's try this again. I should have reset it last time. So star hog over to user local bin. All right, so then if I look in user local bin, I see them in there. And then we talked last time, we're only using CPU hog and mem hog on this assignment. So you can run CPU hog in the background, and then we can like look at top. Let's actually see if it's running PS. Oh, it's not running. Let's run it in the foreground first.
You have to do a -S.
Oh, that doesn't give me error messages.
That's the number.
Still not giving me error messages. Whatever. Let's look at my README here. CPU hog, sleep time. I don't know why it's not running. Let me log out, log back in. It should be heating up my terminal,
But it is.
but it didn't.
It's just quiet.
I don't know.
Are you in? Files saved
It should work anywhere. That's so weird.
Aren't you on the wrong machine?
I am, but it should run on any machine.
Until you use something else, it's better than HTML.
None of them are running. It's so weird. What am I forgetting? We had them running last time. So it's supposed to, I don't know. It's not.
Alice, that shows you.
What?
Did we check the file?
Well, they are. Oh, that's not that one. Oh. Oh. CPU hog. Oh, there we go. It's supposed to do that.
You have to be root
Minus
by it.
S. I don't know why I had to root, but, so now it's consuming my terminal. I don't know why I can't run as a normal user. Oh well, I'll be root. Run it in the background, PS AUX, ref for CPU hog, and we can see that it's running at 16%-ish of my CPU. It's better to look at the top, because then it will
Update.
rate. So we want it to run around whatever percent I said in the assignment,
It's like 10%.
10%. So it looks like it's too high. So the idea here is we'll kill all CPU hog, and then